slick. I'm so pretty, bitch. Hair and makeup done by Lily, bitch. Not so thick, but your nigga love the way my titties sit. Not a city chick.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Presidential Lily, your favorite Lily, and we are back with another video. I know it's been a really long time, but it's because since I've moved out, I've been working a lot, so I haven't been able to post any personal beauty videos or anything like that. So I decided to not use this as an excuse and decided to record me doing some of my clients' hair throughout the week when I'm working. So here is my younger cousin. Her name is Jamira, and I'm going to be doing a frontal wig install on her today. So I'm just going to take y'all through the whole process today. Whenever I'm doing any install, especially when it comes to like wigs, I go ahead and begin to part the hair directly down the middle. I like to split the hair in half and braid side by side. So this is what I'm doing here. Starting with my part down the middle, I'll put one half into a ponytail, and then I'll begin to braid the one section, and then I'll braid the second section afterwards. Once I finish braiding the hair, I'm going to go ahead and put on a nude stocking cap. And when I do my nude stocking cap, I'll go ahead and cut the ears out. And then I'm going to take my Bold Hold Active lace glue to secure the lace. Before I applied the cap, I went ahead and wiped off like the perimeter of her hairline with the alcohol wipe, just because since I used the glue to hold my cap down, I would like just how you would before you actually apply the lace. You want to go ahead and get all the extra oils and dirt and debris away from the skin right there. So that's what I'll do so that my ball cap is really secure and nice. I'm taking this Kiss Cream Foundation in the color Cappuccino and just a nice little makeup brush, and I am applying the makeup to the edge and a little bit in the part of the cap. Once I got all the makeup applied to the cap, I just went ahead and started to cut off the excess cap off so I can begin to lay the lace down. Here is the wig. I've already applied this wig on her once before, so it was pretty easy to go ahead and prep it. She doesn't do any baby hairs, and it's curly hair, so it's just water and good mousse. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and take another alcohol wipe and clean off her skin right there again, and you start to see me go ahead and apply my layers of glue. I applied 3 layers of glue and blended them out until they were thin and clear, and then I began to lay the lace. So I completely forgot that I actually applied this wig in sections, and it is quite easier to apply the wig in sections once you've already like applied it before. So once the excess lace is already cut off and you're applying it again, it's just easier to take your time and work in sections to actually apply the lace properly, nice and neat. So now that the glue has dried clear, I like to go ahead and tell my clients to frown their face, and then I like to apply the lace right there at the edge of the glue. And then I take the back of my comb and press the lace into the glue really, really good, making sure that the hairs are smooth at the edge for the nice perm look, and that the glue and lace are just perfectly meshed together. I'm going to go ahead and start on my second section. And I want you guys to pay attention to what I'm about to do. I'm just seeing, kind of like marking it with my eyes, like photographic memory, where the line is, and then I like to take my time and dot the glue, and that's how I know how to not go too far with the glue. And I begin to just smooth it out, and you see me testing it to make sure that I'm going far enough and not too far out the lines. And then I do my other 2 layers. Once they dry cleared, I like to take the lace and press it in there, and I'm going to do the same thing with my comb, press it in the back of my comb into the lace so that the lace and the glue mesh perfectly together. So we have this nice melty ass lace. Okay. And you have to make sure that y'all take y'all time, because she's not doing any baby hairs. So you cannot get away with any fucking mishaps, okay? That means the foundation has to be right. Excuse my timer. The foundation has to be right. The layers of the glue has to be right. Everything has to be right. You have to be on point. Okay, baby? Okay. So hi, this is Editing Janae, and sometimes my videos take time for me to edit, to add voiceover and stuff like that. Voiceovers can be compiled of multiple different days of me speaking on the video. And I just realized from my last voiceover clip that I sound really sick, which I am. I have bronchitis right now, guys, so my voice sounds it just sounds bad, okay? I sound sick. Hope it's not too hard for you guys to understand, so please bear with me as we get through this video. Now that I am finishing up my last section, I'm just going to show you guys up close what it's looking like, okay? Like you can still kind of see her a little bit, right? Like you can see where she at, but that's gonna be nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and pull her hair up in the back. I'm going to tighten her wig because her wig actually fit perfectly. I'm like to take my Lot of Body mousse. This is my new favorite mousse. It is perfect. If you know what Lot of Body is, it's like a liquid blue like liquid lotion for curls, for natural hair when you go in the dryer. So it's a setting. This is like the perfect setting mousse ever. So I like to take that over the lace, and then I like to take 2 wrap strips and tie that around the hair or around her lace, the edge of the lace where I just applied the glue. And then I will place her under my hooded dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes I do 10 to 20 minutes. It just depends on how long it takes for it to actually dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew. Now that she's out from underneath the dryer, I'm going to go ahead and sew her wig down in the back so it's nice and flat and lace flush to her braids, and that it just looks cute, y'all. We don't like that extra bulkiness, you know. We want our shit to look real natural, real slayed, real flats, okay, with the body, okay? So that's what we finna give. I'm finna go ahead and take my time and just sew this down to the braids in the back of her head. Now that the sewing is done, I like to take this Fantasia's Frizz Buster and I go ham with applying that. I'm going to take some water and my Lot of Body styling mousse, and that is what we're going to use to get these curls popping, okay? So you're going to take a lot of your Fantasia's, dress and coat the hair in it, okay? As you guys can see, her curls are popping in the back, okay? And then we're going to take my spray bottle of water and spray it on down. And then we're going to take that Lot of Body mousse that we used on the lace earlier, and we're just going to apply that all throughout the hair and take our dimming brush and just curl and make sure brush and make sure that all the curls are uniform and nice and just defined and pretty. You're going to be left with nice, pretty, shiny, defined curls, and they're not going to get frizzy later. They're going to stay nice and just like that. Now it's time to cut them strips off. Snip. Oh, okay. So look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, real smooth, real nice. Like what lace? I like to go ahead and take my fine tooth comb and just give make the hair soft, you know, and I just comb it out a little bit. Just gonna do some extra finishing touches, nothing too serious, but you guys can just watch me do this part. I make sure that I hot comb the hair in the correct direction, make sure it's nice and flat. I'm gonna add some concealer to my part to make it brighten it up and makes it also to define it. And then I will show you guys some up close pics and clips of the lace and everything like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment, and subscribe if you haven't, because why would you be this far in the video and you haven't subscribed to my channel? Like, that's real wild. That's real crazy. I don't know if you just don't like me or you trying to get the tea and leave, but it's okay. Whatever.
Thanks, it's on the